everybody? It's your girl Shay'Elaine, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Shay'Elaine. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video today, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and stimulate that like button, y'all. That way I know what you guys are liking. It really helps my channel out to know exactly what my viewers want from me. Go ahead and hit the notification bell as well. Ding. That way you're notified of every single time I post a video. This channel really is a family, and it is for everyone. We talk a little hair, we talk a little makeup, body positivity, finances, and just all around being a better you. If that sounds like a great place for you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, like the video, share this video, and keep on watching. Let's get on. So, as you guys guessed by the title, I am bringing you another Fashion Nova haul. This is the Jumpsuit Edition Spring Summer Fashion Nova Curve Jumpsuit Edition, and it's giving me vibes. So, I'm not even going to keep running my mouth. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys what I picked up for you. Alright, you guys, so this, this first jumpsuit that I picked up for you guys is the Sneaking Up Tie-Dye Jumpsuit. I got it in a 1X. It's super cute. It's so much fun too. Like, I love these little gill, frill, whatever things. I do wish it went all the way up, but it does stop mid-waist. But it's still super cute. I'm 6 foot basically, and it still pretty much touches the floor. I'm gonna spin a little bit for you guys. It does have this, you know, keyhole back. And the material is super light. So I know this is supposed to be like a spring, summer jumpsuit type of vibe. But I'm starting with this one because it is really, really light. It's mad stretchy still. If you got, you know, your body details maybe a little bit bigger than mine, you could definitely still wear 1X in this. But I'm in Maryland and it's still like 50 degrees outside. So I can still wear this right now. At the 50, 60 degree mark, when it starts getting 65, 70, I probably wouldn't be able to wear this for the spring. Definitely not in the summer, but it is so much fun, guys. I'm really exploring my range for you guys because I want to show you guys something a little new every time as far as colors and prints and things. Tie-dye is another thing that I never wear, but again, it's 2020, and what I never do is no longer a thing. It's just not. We're willing to try new things moving forward, so this is one of the things I'm trying. And it looks bomb on this melanin, I'm just saying. Yes, and if you guys like this hair, I did do a review on it. It's by AF Sister Wigs. I will put that in the description bar for you guys as well. I'll probably put it somewhere right here on the screen, but this is cute. For this, I give this one an 8. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. And it doesn't get a 10 out of 10 for me because the fridgy thingies, gill, whatever, they don't go all the way up. And I kind of wish it was a tad bit longer, but that's just me. I'm weird. I like my stuff to like drag on the floor. So this is cute. Comment below what you guys think. Don't forget to engage with me, you guys, and I want to see what's up with y'all. Like, what y'all doing? What y'all thinking about these outfits? Is this good? If you like these outfits, go ahead and stimulate that little like button or whatever, so that way I know that you guys like this stuff and I'm not like wasting my time, energy, and breath bringing you videos that you ain't watching. But keep watching this one, okay? All right, you guys. So this one I like, but it's mixed feelings. So I got this in a 1X. This is their Kendall Ruched jumpsuit in the color red, obviously. They do have black, but I don't think they come in the plus size as the other colors, but I could be wrong, so just check the website with the links below. But this is kind of constricting, I guess, and when you lift your arms up, this happens. So that's probably a good reason right there to size up. I'm gonna give you guys a little spin of this so you can kind of see. It's really cute. It is super long, and the one thing I kind of get with this jumpsuit is that the bottom of it is kind of like that A-line kind of thing happening, where the heel part of it is way longer than the front of it. So it's automatically going to drag. Whether you put heels on or not, it's just going to drag across the floor, and there's really nothing you can do about it. But it is super cute. It is a really light material. There is some space still left in this one. I probably would have sized up just for the arms because I can't move them. They're very restricting, like I said, and it's gonna give me all of this, and it's not supposed to. But I'm gonna spin again so you guys can see it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this one. I give this one maybe like a 7 out of 10. It could be better, I think, but the sleeves are sheer and it has this ruching up here as well. So there's a lot of space in the sleeves if you do have bigger arms. That's not the issue. The issue with this is like the banding right here. There's no stretch in that. So other than that, like I said, this would get an 8, 7. If I sized up, maybe, I don't know. First jumpsuit is so freaking cute. I think it's cute. It's adorable. And I was like really hesitant when I picked this one up because I was like, nah, it's not really gonna fit the way it does on the model, like how y'all see here. I thought it would basically be like really flappy right here, but there are like bones in it, almost like your underwire, that's keeping this perfect shape at the top. It does hug every, well, it ain't that much, but it does hug every inch of your body. I'm gonna turn around so you can kind of see the back and what it's given. And I'm loving it. I can't remember the name of this one, but it will be in the description box listed as outfit number 1. And yes, what do you guys think? Am I giving you like a cute red pump and a red lip, or like a red lip and a little cute little clutch will make this like, and I like this because you can make it like casual or you can make it like super dressed up. I can throw like a little, you know, kimono over this or something like this and put some sneakers on and give you like a cute little chill vibe and a nice little hat. Or I can like put some heels on, my red lips, my clutch, and go out or grab, you know, drinks with the girls or whatever the case may be. It's cute, it's classy, it's not showing way too much, it's just giving you enough sexy at the top. It does have a whole lot of like stretch in it, and I did get this in a 1X. It is super long. Let me back up a smidge as you can see. I'm on my tippy toes, and like I said, it's still super long. I love the material of it. It is soft, it's not itchy at all. So I would give this one, I would give, and as you know what I hate, y'all, like when you get rompers or jumpsuits or anything with striped patterns on it, how sometimes you'll get here and then it'll like give you this little gap or something, or it'll like be all twisted up where you're not getting like a straight line anymore. Like, I don't think this gives me that. I mean, I can't really see that far away from the camera, but I don't feel like this is giving me that. I feel like this is giving good vertical, it's vertical, right? Yeah. Good vertical like lines or whatever. So I do sincerely adore this. I give this one an 8, and I would give it a 10 if it, honestly, I would give it a 10 if they didn't have like little breast pads. There are like shoulder pads where my boots are supposed to be. So if those weren't there, that would be better if they just put the bones all around the top to keep the shape and then not giving me that extra padding. But if you don't have, you know, bigger breasts, then I guess that's fine. But I don't know, I think this looks really good on me. Maybe melt it. There's so much. I'm gonna style this one on my Instagram, so make sure that you guys follow me on my Instagram. It's flawed_but_fabulous1, the word 1, not the number, okay? And this is the vibe. Okay, so this one is very similar to the last one I just had on. This is the same mistake. Jumpsuit. Now, I don't know. I got them in the same exact size. This is a 1X and the last one was a 1X, but this one does not fit. It's got the same bones in it. So the structure of this one was on the last one. The other one will be better, but literally like it doesn't go all the way up in the back. And these are mad short. Look how these are mad high waters. I mean, you can get away with it if you put heels on, but it's stressing me out. Look. Whew. I'm like kind of mad about this. I had high hopes. I thought it would flare out at the bottom, and it's not. But it is soft. It does have a good ridge. If you're shorter than me, I'm like 6 foot. If you're shorter than me, then this would work for you, but it is not working for me. So we're gonna take it off and we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay? Okay, pumpkin? Okay? Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna hold this because, okay, wait, no, I let it go. Chancing this on camera right now. This is what it looks like. I have on shapewear, but it's supposed to have like this gap in between the, y'all. Okay, so This jumpsuit is cute. I ain't gonna front, I'm not gonna hold you. It's cute. It's soft, it's mad stretchy, it's in a 1X. I'm 6 foot, sorry, and it is mad long. My thing is, I'm a 42 double D, and my boobs are barely, and I do mean barely, hanging in there. But what I'm gonna do with this is I'm just gonna get a strap. I'm gonna try to find like a green strap or maybe this tan color, and I'm gonna have my seamstress put this on there because I love this way too much to like not wear it because of a boob issue. I'm gonna just manufacture, you know me, a new look. If you have 40, 42, maybe even a 38, any type of double D situation, this is not for you. It's if you get it, you're gonna have to alter it. You have to put straps on it. I was like, oh, maybe I could take this and pull it up, and no, it wasn't gonna work. But overall, it's cute, and I got it because it gave me like vacation to Jamaica vibe. Because this came back from Jamaica like November, and I was like, yo, I could have worn this on the beach somewhere. Let me give you a full view. It is super cute, y'all. It has a nice pattern going on. But I don't know, between this one and the last one, they just really set me up. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like I said, I have one shapewear. If I can find a link for this shapewear, I'll put it down because this thing is heavenly. It's really holding your girl together. But it's supposed to have this little cute, sexy vibe right there. But I don't know. I know if I wore this outside like this and got to walk in, this thing is gonna go boop, and I'm gonna have a situation on my hands. So if you have bigger breasts, I suggest not to get this or to alter it if you do. Alright, you guys, so this is super stinking cute. Okay, pumpkin, it's adorable. This is the How I Handle That Mess jumpsuit. Now, it's very, very sexy. It's very risque. The only reason why you guys can't see the part right here is because I have on the shapewear still, because I wasn't about to take it off to put this on. But it is entirely see-through right here. So you can be risque and not wear a bra, or you can put on a cute little bra. It does have this double band here, and then this opening on the side. All this here is mesh. This is like a nice soft silk kind of material, and then this is the back. Very, very cute. I was seeing this like on Instagram, Fashion Nova promo, and I was like, yo, like, why can't I find this jumpsuit? And I'm looking all in the plus size section, it's not there. It is it's not even it's an extra large. It's not a 1X. So it's like in their like regular thing. And I fit this, y'all. This weight loss journey is bomb. I fit in this extra large, and I'm like, yo, this is nice, but in all fairness, it does have like mad stretch to it, so it's not like a true extra large in my opinion. Cause look, come on, like what extra? There's so much space. You don't see this? There's so much space still left in this, and it's in an extra large, and it's giving me fever though. Very cute. If life would open back up, y'all can definitely wear this out. I don't know, y'all. It's good. What y'all think? Comment below where y'all would wear this. If y'all think it's cute or not, what the vibe is giving on this, okay? I don't know. I'm giving it an 8. What are y'all giving it? Alright, so this last one is not a jumpsuit at all, but I literally just got this in the mail right before I did this video. And as y'all know, I did a Fashion Nova dress haul. This is the last one that was up. Go ahead and look at that one. But this just came in, and I could not resist showing this to you guys, y'all. This is so much fun. It is super long. It drags, and I love it. Even when I'm on my tippy toes, y'all, it still drags. And it's very classy. I love this. It gives you good coverage. The sleeves are breathable. It's in a 1X. It has like this riffle, or pleated rather. It's like a pleated effect all over the entire dress. There is not a stitch out of place on this thing. It is, this is barbecue. I'm meeting Bae's family for the first time. Going, oh my goodness. And then if you really want it to be, you can like put a pin here and it would still give you like a cute, yo, if this was off the shoulder, I would just be in tears. Like, but it's still super cute. It's so light. It's definitely spring. It's definitely summer. It's gonna give you like that good breeze. You guys, let me back up. absolutely perfect. I love everything about it. Y'all know I love these type of flowy, just gone with the wind type of vibes, and this is what this is giving me. I know it's not a jumpsuit, but like I said, I could not resist showing this to you guys. So make sure you go over to Fashion Nova, check out their current collection. They have some bomb pieces, y'all. I'm like addicted, having to like resist from like buying a bunch of stuff, but this is super, super cute, super fun, definitely classy. It's so soft, you guys. I hope you guys like it. What do y'all think? This gets a 10. I don't care what y'all say. This gets a 10 for me. Okay, come through. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for sharing this video. Hint, 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 hint. Welcome to the Flawed But Fabulous family. I am so happy to see you guys. Thank you guys again for watching the video. Comment below. Let me know which one of these looks was your favorite look. Let me know what video you want to see. If there's something you wanted to try, I'll try it for you. Like, let me know. Engage with me in the comments. I will see you guys there. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at flawed_but_fabulous1. The word one, not the number. I love you. Love you, love you, love you. Bye, guys.
Fast, 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 fast.